Hello, everyone. The Fairfax County Department of Transportation is pleased to share an overview of the Route 29 Active Transportation Study. The study focuses on a 2-mile section of Route 29 inside the Beltway from I-495 on the west end to Trips Run on the east end, bordering with City of Falls Church. Our goal is to improve walking, biking, and transit access, creating a safer, more comfortable corridor for all users. Route 29 plays a key role as a complementary route to Route 50 and I-66. With recent capacity increases on I-66 and Route 50 serving primarily car traffic, this corridor presents a valuable opportunity to enhance active transportation and transit. We are studying ways to improve sidewalks, bike facilities, crossings, and bus stops while maintaining efficient traffic flow. In certain areas, service lanes may be repurposed to support these improvements. Today, the stretch of Route 29 includes 4 travel lanes, 8 signalized intersections, and bus service every 30 to 45 minutes. However, the corridor currently faces challenges such as missing sidewalks, obstructed paths, limited crosswalks, unsafe mid-block crossings, and bus stops lacking shelters and pedestrian access. Some stretches have more than 2,000 feet between safe crossings, highlighting the need for better connectivity and safety. Our goal is to build a safer, more accessible, and better connected corridor for everyone, including walkers, bicyclists, transit riders, and drivers alike. Your feedback will play a crucial role in shaping solutions. A community survey will launch in late November, and we will return in early spring 2026 with recommended improvements. Together, we can make Route 29 a safer and more inviting place to travel. Thank you for participating and sharing your input.